well. You may have solved one of these, whatever your name is, who showed us how to solve it, but I can do better than solve it. Just watch, but I'm not going to show you. You got to figure it out yourself. Oh, how's he doing that so fast? Done. Look at that. If you can make your Rubik's Cube look like that, man, you are rad. Look how awesome that is. Beat that. Beat it. Beat it with a fork and eat it. I'm the best. Yeah, I'm the best at the Rubik's Cube. Yeah, beat that. Beat that. Beat that. Oh, no. Oh, look what I did. Can you do that? Huh? Yeah, sure, you could solve it. Anyone can do that. Can you make it look like this? Guess not. Looks like I won. Winner! Winner! Winner, winner, chicken dinner!